Good day everyone, it's Cameron from The Bold Trades. Hope everybody's having a fabulous Monday today. So I wanted to make this quick video as we had some very exciting news over the last couple of days. Virgin Orbit, formerly a division of Virgin Galactic, is actually going to be going public via a SPAC. Yep, you heard it. Virgin Orbit is finally going public through a SPAC. So let's talk about it. So the story was originally reported by Sky News that Branson plots a $3 billion SPAC merger to launch Virgin Orbit onto the stock market. A tie-up with Next Gen Acquisition 2 will crystallize a $2.5 billion fortune for Sir Richard Branson, Sky News learns. Sir Richard Branson is in advanced talks about a multi-billion-dollar merger to take Virgin Orbit, his satellite launch company, onto the US public markets. Sky News can reveal that Virgin Orbit is close to finalizing a deal to combine Next Gen Acquisition 2, a special purpose acquisition company SPAC set up by George Mattson, a former Goldman Sachs banker. Sources said this weekend that Next Gen 2 was in exclusive talks with Sir Richard Branson's low Earth orbit satellite business, which is 80% owned by the tycoon's Virgin Group empire. Mubadala, the Abu Dhabi sovereign fund, owns the remaining 20% of Virgin Orbit shares. A definitive deal valuing Virgin Orbit at approximately $3 billion could be announced in the coming weeks, according to insiders. Concluding a SPAC merger could represent further vindication of Sir Richard's efforts to construct a multi-billion-dollar business empire in the burgeoning space technology sector. Also, CNBC had also picked up the story. Branson's Virgin Orbit in talks with former Goldman Sachs partners SPAC for $3 billion deal to go public. As reported also by The Observer, Richard Branson doubles down on SPAC boom with another Virgin space company. So let's delve into this a little bit further. British travel mogul Richard Branson is doubling down on SPAC deals, even though the trendy financial tool to take early stage companies public seems to be losing its momentum in recent months. The latest to join Branson's growing SPAC portfolio is his satellite launching startup Virgin Orbit, a spin-off from his space tourism company Virgin Galactic. Britain's Sky News reported Saturday that Virgin Orbit is in advanced discussions to go public through a merger with Next Gen Acquisition 2, a special purpose acquisition company led by former Goldman Sachs partner. Multiple US news outlets have confirmed the talks. The deal is expected to be announced in the coming weeks. Next Gen is led by George Mattson, who previously headed Goldman's Global Industrial Group, and Gregory Sum, former CEO of PerkinElmer. Merging with SPACs, also known as a blank check company, because of popular way for early stage, often unprofitable companies to go public at outsized valuations in 2020. The phenomenon was in part kicked off by another Branson-led company, Virgin Galactic, which went public in October of 2019 through a merger with social capital Hemisphere. Last year, Virgin Group also set its own SPAC called VG Acquisition with the aim to acquire a broad-based consumer company and take it public. The SPAC raised $480 million in its debut in October. After the merger, Virgin Orbit will reportedly be valued at $3 billion, more than 3 times what it was worth at the end of 2020. Virgin Orbit was founded in 2017 to serve as an emerging industry of miniature and small satellites that target military and commercial customers at the lower end of space market. These satellites usually don't make full payload on a regular sized rocket like a SpaceX Falcon 9. Virgin Orbit uses a special air launch system by attaching a booster underneath a 747 aircraft to send these spacecraft into orbit. This approach provides more flexibility than the industry standard vertical launch rockets, the company said. In January, Virgin Orbit successfully reached orbit during its second test flight. A modified Boeing 747 aircraft called Cosmic Girl took off from a runway with 2-stage Launcher 1 booster under one wing, one reaching an altitude of about 35,000 feet. The booster was released by the Boeing, fired up its own engine, and ascended into orbit. And then here's a tweet from the company that confirmed that this was a successful launch, which was watched live by many people. And there it goes, successfully fired and launching into space to deliver a payload of satellites, which was a very successful mission. Amazing. That is absolutely amazing, beautiful. Perfect execution and a perfect launch for the Cosmic Girl. Now going back to the CNBC report, which was originally reported by Sky News, the talks on Saturday saying a deal is expected to be announced in the coming weeks. Virgin Orbit has declined CNBC's request for comment, so they have not actually confirmed it. So let's take a look at the stock and how it reacted. So the stock is actually tradable right now under the ticker symbol NGCA, and as you can see from the let's go back 6 months here, and as you can see it's pretty much relatively traded flat. So when the news broke over the weekend, the stock has rocketed up today, up 69 cents, and is just currently up just 2 cents in the after hours trading. So anybody that is interested in this merger, of course right now it has not been officially confirmed by the company, can purchase the stock through the ticker symbol NGCA, Next Gen Acquisition Corporation 2. Now, I just want to preface this by saying I'm not a financial advisor, nor is this financial advice or a recommendation to buy or sell anything. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned until we get further details about this very exciting merger, and let's see what happens. Hopefully this will be completed and Virgin Orbit will be a publicly traded company. But stay tuned for the next 2 or 3 months until that happens. And thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. We appreciate your support. Take care and bye for now.